In this video I will show you this LiitoKala 200 ampere hours battery. Basically from the batch only weight is about right in voltage. Rest parameters is not right, is wrong, because they fucked up connecting this particular connection. Rest is quite it works spot welded, but this one I had to drill it, tap it, because no, this weren't working. It without this cell connected had about 90 ampere and 90 ampere hours. I also checked individual cells capacity, shown 176, 176. These are higher, I don't know why, and this basically every cell is different. After connecting this, it has 180 ampere hours, which is good for the price. I added XT60 connector, bypassing BMS and active balancer. It couldn't hurt. Cables original are 10 gauge. BMS is there. Cables are secured, glued. Basically it looks inside like this.